In this video, you'll learn the steps of how to sheathe the floor. First, starting with straightening your rim joist. First, you want to set a nail on the furthest exterior point on one end of the rim joist, tapping the nail up so that it's flush. Set your chalk line on top of the nail. A little trick is to tap the nail forward towards the distance that you're pulling your line. That way it keeps the end of the chalk line up and off the joist. Pull the chalk line the full distance of the rim. In a two-man system, you can have one person holding the chalk line firmly, and if you're working by yourself, you'll need to set another nail on the opposite end and tie your string around it, flush with the same inside edge of the boxer. Make sure to pull the string tight always to keep it from sagging or moving in the wind. Tie it around the top of the nail head. Adjust the nail as needed to make it flush with the boxer joist. To straighten the rim, you want to tap with your hammer, tap it out until the string is perfectly in line with the edge of your rim joist. If you're having trouble straightening the center joist of your rim board, one thing to always remember is that you can always adjust the outside edges. Check those first, make the rim perfect. You can either use a level from the downstairs wall and level up your rim joist and make it perfect. Check the other end, also level up from the wall down below and make that perfect as well, because what can happen if your center joists you're finding are if it's not lining up with your rim and you're having trouble, these ends, you can sometimes tap out just a little bit and kind of cheat the center joist so that your rim is nice and straight. Another problem that is common in the trade is if the downstairs wall hasn't been strung nice and straight, that can also lead to your string line and your rim joist being slightly out.